Hi guys, so today we're just going to be doing a very easy, simple eyebrow tutorial. So first I'm going to go in with the NYX Control Freak brow gel, and you want to apply it in the front in an upward motion, and then once for the rest of the brow you're going to like comb it backwards. And then I'm going in with my Kiss Professional Top Brow Pencil in the color Deep Brown, and I'm just going to outline the top and bottom of her eyebrow. I also wanted to mention that with that Kiss Professional Brow Pencil, I did fill in the back part of her brow, and now I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the color Ebony, I believe, and I am filling in that tail of her eyebrow to give that more of a deep dark brown fill. And then for the front of her eyebrows, I'm putting the Ebony Dip Brow in an upward motion, and then I'm going in with that spoolie to give it more of a softer effect. Now I'm going in with my MAC NC45, and I'm just going to outline the bottom of her brow and the top of her brow. And you can go as slow as you want. I really do just go in there, fix it, and then if I want to make any changes, I go back in with my Kiss Professional Brow Pencil or that Anastasia Beverly Hills. But it's you. You can make as many mistakes as you want, as long as you're learning. And that's what this whole process is about. And the brush that I am using to conceal her brows is the Ruby Kisses concealer brush. I have molded it down to the point where it gives a very precise cut of the brow. And now I am using the Zoeva concealer buffer brush. I believe the number is 142. It's a pretty decent brush to get the effect that I want to do. And I'm not spreading the concealer, I'm going in and just buffering it out. So I'm like placing it in place, if that makes sense. Okay guys, and here is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. Stay tuned.